Let's start off with a quick tip. Don't be afraid to simply tell people, hey, I'm brand new. I don't know anything about your industry. Can you tell me about, and then the name of the industry? Most people love sharing expertise. They might not want you saying, hey, can you give me a job? But if you say, hey, I don't know anything, you appear to be wise. Can you help me? Most people actually will do that. Remember, you're only new once. If you move to a new town, people are often very friendly with you. They may invite you over to their home if you say, hey, I've just moved in. If you are the new freshman on campus, you're new, people are friendlier. It's exactly the same thing if you are new in a particular industry. Quite often, people want to feel like they're mentoring, they're providing a service. And frankly, when it comes to people's ego, they love talking about what they do. They're in their industry because they have some kind of a passion for it, some kind of an industry. And deep down, everybody thinks they know more than a lot of other people in their industry. And they love to tell you about it. Use that to your advantage. But the key is don't be afraid to ask and to tell them, hey, I'm new to this industry. I don't know anything. What can you tell me about, or ask a particular question? You'll be amazed at how much great information people will share with you freely.